I'm in Wisconsin, just off I-94 at Springs at Kenosha. Springs is a full-amenity, pet-friendly apartment community that has a clubhouse with a spacious resident lounge and party room. There's a nicely equipped fitness room with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment, and an overhead door that opens seasonally to the outdoor pool. There's a sheltered lounging area and grilling stations adjacent to the pool. I'm headed to Unit 1219, which has an outdoor patio and a direct ground floor entrance. You step into a very spacious, high-ceilinged great room. Plank flooring continues throughout the living area. There's a ceiling fan, both track and pendant lighting in the kitchen. Kitchen has a ton of cabinet and counter space, granite counters, black appliances. There's a pantry cabinet. And of course, since it's Sweet Home Chicago, it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cutlery, dishes, cookware, everything you're going to need to feel right at home the second you step in. This unit also has a wine chiller, beverage chiller. And the closet holds your cleaning utensils and an ironing board. Very spacious, great room here. Heading toward the bath, you have a full-size washer-dryer side by side with storage up above. Bath has plenty of space, a wide vanity, and it has a tandem entrance to the bedroom. Bedroom has nice sized windows for natural light. There's a ceiling fan, and there are two closets. One of them a walk-in, set up with extra linens and bedding. Terrific unit. A lot of space for a one-bedroom, and a great open feeling. And it's Sweet Home Chicago, so you know that you're going to have all the facilities and services you need to feel right at home.